This video is about getting rid of the browser hijacker that is called XPRRT. XPRRT is a browser extension or a potentially unwanted program that changes various browser settings like the homepage, new tab address, and search engine. Typically, extensions are meant to provide valuable functions and enrich the experience by blocking ads, dangerous website, masking your location, automatically finding discount coupons, and so on. This extension claims that it provides best results from the web, but actually it is entirely useless and raises user security concerns. It has ads injected between its search results, which leads to questionable pages asking for your information. The creators of this hijacker generate revenue from pay-per-click advertising method, so it is in their interest to implement as many links as possible for you to click on them. Because the hijacking can be caused by a potentially unwanted program, changing your settings back to what they were before may not work. The program will keep modifying your browser until you eliminate it from your machine completely. So in this guide, I'll give you a demonstration of how this hijacker works and how to remove it. When you submit some search queries, you notice that the results are delivered by this page, exprrt.com, and as I said, there are some sponsored links displayed on top of the search results. These results are not really relevant, they don't really meet your expectations. To remove this hijacker, access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then you need to disable and delete any third-party extensions that might be in place. I also recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com, download the software, and start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, but it has got some free features. And after it updates the antivirus database, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the analysis of your system. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the program gives you the detailed summary of all the threads that were found during the scanning. Most importantly, you need to pay careful attention to the antivirus section. So you may click on Antivirus tab and then click on Review Results. This will show you the full summary of all the threads that were found during the scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, whether it was the trial or the premium version of the program. The good thing about the trial and the premium version is that you are able to know the location, the exact location of each specific thread on your computer. So the application Combo Cleaner not only gives you the name of the thread, but it also shows you where exactly it is located. For instance, you may choose this specific thread, and then you may click on the special icon that says Show in Finder. So you'll be able to establish the exact presence of thread on your Mac, and you may right-click on it and move it to the trash manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove all these threads automatically.